Welcome back to Let's Talk. As we continue our practice with patience, consider spending some additional time examining your fears. Remembering that oftentimes there's a link between our fears and what triggers us to be impatient. Take a look at what your common fears are. Notice also whether they're realistic or not. For many of us, the fears focus on some type of worst-case scenario occurring in the future. So take a look at how those worries about the future are invading your present moment's peace. Are they really helpful? Does that worst-case scenario typically come true? And even when it does, would more worrying have actually prevented it? Usually these fears and worries just increase our anxiety and our discomfort in the moment. Then, of course, to stop that discomfort, we rush to having to fix it, or just do something, just anything to even shut it out altogether. We just want to remove that discomfort, that fear of the unknown. So it's well worth it to try to work upstream of that discomfort and examine these fears. When they still occur, you can stop, reground yourself, and practice mindfulness. Come back to this present moment. You might ask yourself, is there anything happening right now that should place me in pain? This is very different than what your mind is doing to tell you that it should be in pain. Ask what is actually happening at this moment. Not something in the past or in the future. What is actually happening right now? A lot of the times we realize that the answer is nothing, and then we can choose to not be in pain at this moment. It might help you to continue with these practice videos and to even go back to some of the peace and mindfulness talks on the site. Let us know how it's going for you, and let's talk.